Dumelang landlords, this is your tenant Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlords, stress naso. Alright, to those that are not used to this channel, unfortunately I cannot post the full episode. I don't know where people get it. Please watch it on channel 161, DSTV. But let's continue. It looks like Umkhokha was right. Umkhokha said Khulekani will not come back. Guys, Khulekani, I don't want to talk about anything else. I just want to talk about this part. Khulekani might not come back. And Umkhokha is saying, if he doesn't come back, then it means he's dead. Angeke, guys, is this a way of getting Khulekani out of the storyline? Because wow, or maybe Ubabake is going to teach him a lesson, and maybe after 3 months, uzovumbuka and come back. I don't know, guys. You tell me, because I was properly scared. Even when he had that in that prayer session, it looked like he was dreaming. Things were happening, and it looked like he was actually seeing what's happening to Khulekani and crying and do yo. And uyabona ukuthi vele lento le the way ibe suspicious ngakhona ukuze umanzi mande akhuphuka intaba athi no nami ngifuna ukumbona umfana wami makayehle entabeni, and then unomkhosi abe ne pride athi yeah phela he needs to testify, she needs to testify rather ukuthi vele in truth and in spirit umbonile and uyabeliever kuKhulekani. Yo yabona la asekafika khona Umkhokha athi andisamelanga nibe la, you need to go, uKhulekani akabuyi. Yo athi wena gatsheni sodelela ngale ndlela ukuthi ungibiza ngesandla ngegama. Yo guys, is this the end of Khulekani? Is this a proper R.I.P Khulekani, or what's happening? Because I'm scared, like I'm properly scared for Khulekani. But I pray ukuthi njengoba Umkhokha wahamba naye uzobuya, even though he comes back and saying I am not the real person that has been called, but uzobuya. Angazi guys, niyibona kanjani uhambile vele uKhulekani, vele ngiposta yena kuphela manje ithombe ezakhe kuphela, ngisho niya understand isimo. If you've followed my previous channel, you know ukuthi umuntu when he's deceased or when he has disappeared or when it looks like he's not coming back, we only concentrate on that person. But what's going to happen ngonokubonga, I mean ngonomkhosi rather? And mina I wish ukuthi uKhulekani could come back, right? And a revelation from uNokhunja ati take uNokubonga as your second wife. Yo, I know, rest in peace Khulekani. Hade manzimande, hade nomkhosi, hade spamandla, hade bantu baka Mthembu, but isimo sila. Tell me what you think. This is your girl Disebo D. I love you. Peace. Bye.